I try and I fight to survive. Me realize none of them now run with you. Go pick up a
Intensely search next big in music, next big in dancehall and reggae. And right now, little fashion for the music. Cashan, what go on?
Madea.
Cashan, right now, see a transit from dancehall to reggae. But before we know what music though, like, who's Cashan?
This is Cashan. Yeah, the girl from Zentan. Big up my Paris Zentan. Yeah, everybody know me for dancehall and ghetto soul. The Bible can't save you. Cashan is now the roots rebel. Sweet Jamaica.
You have so many collabs with the whole Pablo. You have Valiant, you have T-Bone, just name it. Talk about the crossover though. Why you chose to go in a reggae segment right now?
I've always been a music lover. It didn't have nothing to do with the genre for me. It's just about music. I grew up listening to mostly reggae. The Master Graphics, the Bears Aman. But I dig up Gregory Isaac now for do a collab. That's how much we love reggae. It's not even transitioning, it's more of me finding my path.
You have an album that just dropped where David number 3 right now. Talk about
Here
the album
Comes
right now,
Cashan.
like. Here Comes Cashan.
Yes, so it's a 13-track album. And it's the number 3 already. Clock that. Sweet Jamaica,
what was the idea behind the inspiration back then?
I do a reggae song about almost 2 years ago. And Temple Boss run it by some people. And we decided that, you know what? Let's do this because me really and truly like the more positive side of music. You know, the message part, the inspiration part, the uplifting part of music. So we said, all right, let's just do a reggae album.
Collaboration on the album, like Serious Spice on it.
Yes, big up Richie. I love you,
Can
Bar.
check out on it also?
Yaksta, Tapman, Louis Culture.
Them names, some
greats.
Some greats, because you come up on a fire right now.
Yeah,
You know, like,
everybody will know me, know some love Richie Spice. If me never get in on it, like, me don't know. I wouldn't feel like the album reach.
What's the song about though?
The song is entitled Roaring Lion. A rebel vibe. Kind of vibe there. People don't have to go check it out. Never touch a roaring lion in the carrying.
What's so different about this album for you?
This album is truly me. It's more uplifting. It's just an album where everybody can listen to. It's kind of special to me because normally, you know, my kind of song, them in Richie.
So,
you know, when I go dancehall, we go hardcore, my broadcast list is limited because, you know, you can't send anything to everybody. So now I can actually send the album to everybody in my contact.
Is it fair to say that you're more freely and more passionate about reggae than dancehall?
Yes, I am.
You have so many different tracks in dancehall where they want good for you. Why you chose dancehall before though?
If you listen to my first set of tracks, so give me the little breakthrough somewhat, there'd have been ghetto soul songs. All right, let's do some dancehall, get the break, and then you can do what you want to do. That was why I kind of started doing mostly dancehall. Oh no. But reggae is really my thing.
Cashan, you ever feel like you're underrated in a way in coming to dancehall to me? Because you have so many songs, I would say you always work.
I kind of really not really worry about it because I realize how the thing go, my moral compass is set that way there, now go happen. So I understand why I don't really get the breakthrough and the highlight certain way, but I don't mind. And we're getting recognized, at least my parish recognized me. I won North Coast Artist of the Year last year. Big up me, yeah. Big up myself, big up Sentan.
How do you overcome these struggles?
I know my capabilities, so I'm not really worried about that. And I believe in a God and time, and not before the time. It no bother me. And me no, you know that envious kind of business the way. I think it a most people problem. The envy part of it in this music industry. And the ready eye business, like this a person, you try to be like that person there, you try to outdo that person there. I'm always being me. And I feel like when I'm my time, nobody can stop that. So it's my passion, me just put out the work and make God do his thing.
Which song stands out most on your album to you?
I cannot say.
Which one's your favorite on the album?
I don't have a favorite. All of the songs them bad.
Everyone.
It was I did 15 tracks, you know. It was 15 tracks. I had to take off 2. And that was a big old ruckus crocus. So I have to go just say, you know what, we just lock away and just take off 2 of them. Because all of the songs them bad.
Steady meditation. I great flowing through my vein, you know.
We see a lot of artists complain that the whole juggling pattern, they need it, but since they come back in, it's like, it's a way if you push other music aside and other people aside, like that create so many noise, like people are getting recognition more. In order to get a hit song, you have to follow them people, without them, it make no sense. What are your thoughts on that though?
Nah, I think the artists them just need to just do them thing and believe in themselves. Certain things are just not me, so I don't know about nobody else. Me feisty, you know. So I not go put myself in a certain position. So no.
And Cashan, who never hear your voice, like fans of me.
Never touch a roaring lion who no can win. Jah never tell you me a winner.
Here comes Cashan. Cashan with a difference. You get me? I say, dance style still in the bush there reggae right now. Check her out.